Hello friends, in previous video we successfully installed Metasploitable. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can use graphics interface in Metasploitable. So click on Startup and start this machine. Right now I don't want to upgrade it, so click on Don't Upgrade and click on it. It will take little bit time in starting up. You can see right now I am in this machine and it's already given that username of this machine is msfadmin and password is msfadmin. So type down msfadmin as username and msfadmin as password. Hit enter. Right now I successfully logged into this machine. So for enable graphics user interface, type startx here and hit enter. You can see there is fatal server errors is coming. It's saying if this server is no longer running, you have to remove temp.x0log. So we already studied in our past lecture that to remove any file we are use rm command. So type down rm and temp, then x0 and log and hit enter. But I unable to remove this file. He's saying that this file is copyrighted protected. So I want to say yes, remove this file, but I unable to remove this file. So we are using, so to remove this file we have to use super user. So I will type sudo as super user and then remove for rm and then the name of the file, the temp dot x0 and log and hit enter. It's asking for password. Password is msfadmin and click hit enter. Now we successfully removed this file. To start graphics user interface, type startx and you can see we successfully log in and can be able to use GUI. Thank you for your attention.